Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Edifier QD35 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your speaker is not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it's not syncing or pairing with your phone or other device, if it keeps disconnecting, or if you're having any other kind of issues where it's not working right, this factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. Also, if you just want to set this speaker up in someplace new and you want to delete all of the pairing history, delete all the settings, so you can get a fresh start just like it's coming out of the box, this will do that as well, and it's really easy to do. So the speaker needs to be powered on and in work mode, and with it powered on and in work mode, we're just going to come in and find this light effects button and press and hold it for 5 seconds. Once you've pressed and held it for at least 5 seconds, you can go ahead and release the button. All of the pairing records, all of the settings will be deleted and restored back to their factory defaults, and then you can go ahead and set this speaker up like a brand new speaker.